Hey, this is Kevin at Grubbs Garage. I wanted to give you a quick update of my newest build here. This is my 82 retro style 2-up cafe racer. It's a 900cc dual overhead cam bike. They produce close to 100 horsepower in the upper 90s. They're really a great performing bike back in the day, and even today it's a lot of fun to ride. I've given this one a kind of a kickback retro styling with full candy show paint. This is all House of Color paints. As you can see, it's a brandywine blood red color that I've got just a ton of different kind of color pearls in. It's really a neat paint job. The engine and everything is also just as nice. It's got a red pearl flake in it all over. Anything that's black has a red pearl flake in it. As you can see, I took an old GL 1000 seat pan and modified it to work in the cradle that I had made with this fabricated seat piece. And you can see that the seat sits right on top. Of course, the seat isn't finished yet, but you can see the stitching locations where they're going to be in the seat cover. Kind of gives it a neat styling here from the top. So anyway, it's got an LED in the rear. I'm not sure what I'm going to do on the headlight yet. But it's got some really cool headers on it. Not sure what I'm going to do with the exhaust yet. Augie's checking it out with us. I wanted to keep that front fender. I just love the little lip right here that it has on there. It's a factory piece there from the 82F. So anyway, this is the 82 900C. This is a custom model with a 10-speed transmission. I've shown this on other YouTube videos, but it's just waiting for the warmer weathers. But this right here is the F. This is going to be a really cool, unique bike, and I look forward to getting it going. I was going through the carburetors today and come to find out that the bodies are all screwed up. So if you're watching it and you got a set of CB 900F bodies off a 900 engine or bike, I'd be willing to look at the parts carbs. I need the bodies, really. I have all the jets and the kit and all that, but anyway, there's the bike, and I hope you like it. And if you have any questions for me, you're welcome to go to my website, Grubbsgarage.com. That's Grubbs garage.com, and check it out. And tell me what you think about this style. I really like the bike. I'm looking forward to it, and it's kind of a cool cafe that you and your friend, partner, whatever, can go for a ride on. Thanks a lot.